basically how to answer questions, and how to phrase your answers, and also how to comfort yourself, especially when confronted with comfort, especially when confronted with difficult questions. It's typical how to handle, how to deal with media.
No complaint.
Sir, you were trained by,
I don't know if I remember the name.
but all media experts.
I was trained together with Victor Ontiveros, with Mike Tuang for the work, with G.D. Cruz at the time during the campaign. So
So the next batch, sir, the next
no, but
batch.
it was during the campaign.
Yes, sir. Pero the first batch during this period will be.
First batch? I know I'm part of the first batch.
Again.
Where will it be held?
You will undergo any training, sir. You will
I don't know
undergo
what
any
training this is. I don't know what training.
Where will it be held?
Who will be? I don't even know yet.
Sir, talagang nakaschedule na ba ito dati ba? Or was
No.
triggered lang by reason
No.
of it?
Sa first cabinet, sinabi na ni Pangulo Aquino, first cabinet na sinabi niya, kung all civil undergoing with the time na itself during my campaign as senator, running for the president. So talagang naka-table, sinabi na sa akin.
It's not because you're lacking something, sir.
Because
Sir, Mr. Communication with the
Because
media.
and all that, no, it's not.
Okay.